Hello all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Anna and today's video is going to be short and sweet just because I'm not focusing on skin at all once more because I am letting it still heal, so my foundation routine is basically non-existent, and we're just gonna focus on how to achieve this really dramatic black. Anna, get your colors together. Green and gold eye look. So grab all the green eyeshadows you have and let's get started. So going in with Dark Magic from Jaclyn Hill's Vault collection with Morphe, we're going to pick up Inside Job first. Pick the color up on a very small pencil brush, and you're going to first stamp the product underneath your lower lash line, and then you're going to connect it to your outer corner. And that way that establishes a guide for you as to where to build up from. And then you're just going to slowly start packing the color in. And then we're going to go ahead and start packing it on our inner corner. And now you're just going to start packing the same shade into the crease. I'm just kind of wiggling the brush back and forth, pushing it forward. Picking up a small tapered brush, we're going to start blending out the edges. We're going to go ahead and pick up Potion and start blending out the corners. And then picking up a fluffy brush with no additional product, I'm just going to further diffuse everything out. Next, I'm picking Trickery up on a flat definer brush, and I'm going to start slowly building into the center of the lid. Then I'm actually going to switch palettes to the Armed and Gorgeous one, and I'm going to start using the three metallic shades in here: Guilt Trip, Coin, and Classified. Wetting my brush, I'm going to pick up Classified first, and then I'm going to start at the crease and bring the product down. I like to pack product on both sides of the brush just so I spend less time going back into the pan. And I'm going to start slowly tapping on the edges to blend it together. Then picking up Coin on the same flat brush, you're going to place it smack in the center of your eyelid just to start bringing that three-dimensional look. Then we're going to pick up Guilt Trip and focus it even more in the center. Then picking up the Sparkler Glitter from Deck of Scarlet, we're going to start placing that glitter right in the crease. And I'm going between the actual applicator and a very small defined liner brush to get a really precise application. And my line is never perfect the first time around, so after I get the initial product down, I always have to go back and clean up my line. And to clean up, I just pick up an angled liner brush and I go over the edges. I have that green color on my brush to kind of clean it up and redefine the green. And then there's a lot of back and forth going on between the angled brush and a little pencil brush to make sure I get it really cleaned up. Essentially what we're doing, since the glitter kind of dried up, is we're using the tip of the angled brush to kind of lift off the glitter to clean it up. And I want a really opaque glitter line, so I'm going to go back in and add more where I feel like it's needed. Going back with Inside Job, I'm just going to redefine it a bit where I kind of lost it. On the monitor, it looks like I used two different greens on my eyes. I didn't. Not sure why that's happening. Oh well. Picking up Temptress on a black definer brush, we're just going to stamp it along our lash line. I'm picking up Trickery on this pencil brush and I'm just running it along my lower lash line. Picking up Potion and going right underneath it. And then for my inner corner highlight, I'm going back into the Armed and Gorgeous palette, picking up, what is that? Guilt Trip on a bigger pencil brush, and then placing it right there. And then this is just an extra step, but I also went in with VIP and the Omrizi highlight from Anastasia, doubled those up on a brush, and placed it in the center of the Guilt Trip color. I just feel like it brightened it up just a little more for me. Alrighty, so now for lashes, I'm going to go ahead and pop in these Lily lashes from the Sephora collection in the style Miami, and I'll be right back.
Do they really look different on camera, or am I just tripping?
Alrighty guys, and here's the completed look. I just paired this eye look with a neutral lip. Stay tuned for next Wednesday. I am posting a New Year's Eve makeup tutorial, and after that makeup tutorial, I will be making more videos focused on skin. So if you guys are interested in seeing more of that, hit that subscribe button below, click that little bell notification so you guys never miss a video. And I shall see you next Wednesday. Bye.